Yo, 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 it's your boy Detroit Peso back with another banger. If you hate spiders, you will be triggered. Cause there's like millions of them on this wall just chilling. The first video I saw 3 of them. This one, dog. It's a whole country of them out here. Hey yo, that one spider right here got 3 shadows. I don't get it. What's up with that? Why he so special? Why he got 3 shadows, dog, and everybody else got 1? Man, I'm done. I'm staying away from this wall. Yo, they everywhere. These motherfuckers are everywhere. Look at him. Now I see why Spider-Man is so strong and fast and smart. He get it from these fucking spiders over here. Like, share, comment, subscribe.